Mientras uno está vivo, uno debe amar lo más que pueda.
Lance Blunt, yeah. So I'm back. It's all for you, babe. I mean, I know there's nothing I can say right now to fix things. I know there's nothing I can do, so whatever. I just put myself back in the track. You know, I lost my mind. That's right. I don't wanna say I love you, but I was acting a fool. Guess I do. You know, I never meant to hurt you. It hurt so much when you left. I mean, you don't even know.
Pensaba que contigo iba a envejecer.
Yo.
En otra vida, en otro mundo podrá ser.
Baby, come back.
No estás solo, queda irme un día.
You don't know how much this hurts.
Y ver pa'l cielo a ver si te veo acá.
So I'm the bad guy now, come on.
Si me ven solo y triste, no me hablen.
You know it's not me.
Si me ven solo y triste, soy culpable. La vida es una fiesta que un día termina. Y fuiste tú mi baile inolvidable. No te puedo olvidar, no te puedo borrar. Tú me enseñaste a querer, me enseñaste a bailar.
I mean, you know, I don't even want to get my phone and read what I wrote you. You know, I've been writing a lot of text messages. I didn't even want to send them, you know. All of a sudden, I'm just stalking now.
No te puedo olvidar, no te puedo borrar. Tú me enseñaste a querer, me enseñaste a bailar.
I mean, I want to do it. I mean, you know, like, it's like, you know, come on, baby, come on, just come back. I don't mean to hurt you. You know I don't mean to hurt you. I mean, it's just like, you know, No te puedo olvidar.
Me enseñaste a querer, me enseñaste a bailar.
Listen, I was acting a fool. I think I'm, you know, like, every time I'm in love, I just start doing some stupid shit. I just cannot get my shit together. You gotta understand. Tú sabes cómo es. No me digas que no, sabes que fue un error. I was just like, I'm sorry I got upset, you know, but I know what you felt. Tú sabes que tú lo sentiste, yo sé lo que tú sentiste, yo sé. Tú sabes cómo siento yo. You know,
That's
sometimes
what
I
it
don't even have
is.
to kiss you.
Okay.
I don't even have to kiss you, you know just how I feel.
We're like,
That's how you feel, come on.
you know, we're just like, aló. Oi, Coco.
I mean, I know I acted a fool, come on, I'm not a stalker. Don't give me that shit. I mean, I don't want to say I love you. Guess I do. No te puedo olvidar, tú me enseñaste a querer, me enseñaste a bailar. That just sounds so foolish. I mean, that's like you tell me how to love. That's just some fucking bullshit. I mean, I just got obsessed with you. Just fucking lost it. I mean, it's just not me. You know, I stopped smoking weed and I guess I fucked up, you know. Just listen, you gotta give me one more chance. I mean, I'm telling you, I'm not gonna let you down. I'm not. Listen, baby, listen. I mean, I'm serious. Just give me one more chance. I'm gonna let you know I'm not playing with you. This is not a setup. This is not a setup. I'm not trying to trick you, girl. Listen, I love you. I didn't mean it to be this way. I didn't mean for this to happen like this, you know. I mean, I wanted to do a show. You came by, it was just so good.
Okay,
and I would think you're
okay.
crazy. I think you're fucking crazy. You won't bring me down. I'm just gonna wait.
Aló.
You gotta come back, baby. I mean, listen.
Aló.
I know what you felt that day. I know you don't go lie to me. I know you like me. I know you wanted to be with me. I was just a fool. I'm sorry. I never meant to hurt you. I just didn't know what I was doing. I couldn't believe it, you know.
Ay, 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 ay.
Oh my God, come on. Why don't you? I mean.
Ay, 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 ay. ¿Cómo estás, Coco? Aló, 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 aló. Aló. Y estamos probando. Aló. Oye. Coco. ¿Cómo vas? Ponte el audífono, ponte el audífono. Mira, mírate. ¿Qué te parece? Bravazo, weón. Alucina. Y hay que testear tu micro. Espera. Este es suave. Para hablar. Wow.
Aló.
Wow.